Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to remove formatting in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So here you can see that we have this table here, and basically if we want to remove all the formatting and styling from it, so first of all we have to select our entire cells here. So I will select all of these cells here, and then make sure that you are in this home tab here basically. Okay, and in this home tab here in the end there is the clear option that you will see. So just tap on it, and then we have multiple options here. So we will choose second option from here where it is saying clear formats. So just tap on this one, and now you can see that we have remove all of the styling and all of the designing through our table here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.